Welcome to the Guess the Sound Challenge. We have 5 sounds for you to guess. Here's your first sound. What do you think it is? The answer is a donkey. How many got it right? Now let's move on to sound number 2. What could this be? And the answer is a door opening. Did you get it? Comment below. Now here comes sound number 3. What do you think it is? Time's up. The answer is bowling. All right, sound number 4 is coming up. Can you guess this one? The answer is a soda bottle opening. And finally, we have sound number 5. Time's up. The answer is a woodpecker. See you next time.